This chewy chocolate fudge brownie cake is better than the brownie mixtures you can get at the store. I couldn't believe it myself, and I had no problem pouring off the rest of the cake to my grandchildren.
Oh, yeah.
My God, what did you eat?
This chocolate fudge brownie cake is so easy to make. Just add eggs, butter, some cocoa, some flour, and some sugar. Mix it all together. Bake for half an hour. Cut and serve. When I first saw this recipe on the internet, it intrigued me because it had a gooey center. But after cooking it, I realized that a gooey center meant that the center was not cooked. So I opted to leave it in the oven for a little bit longer and let it cook thoroughly. Hence, I came up with the chewy fudge brownie cake and not the gooey fudge brownie cake. I think either way, you'll learn to love this. Whether you choose gooey and only leave it in the oven for 20 minutes, or chewy and leave it in the oven for 35 minutes, this cake is a winner. Now that the cake is done, flip it over onto the serving dish, remove the bottom of the cooking tray, create a little snowstorm, cut a slice for yourself, and enjoy. Warm it up in the microwave and add some ice cream to it for an even greater treat. Oh yeah.